Hello friends, today I am here to talk about fibrous tumor. Uh, our reference will be Robbins in this slide. Now moving forward, first of all we will talk about nodular fasciitis. So what is nodular fasciitis? It is a self-limited fibroblastic and myofibroblastic proliferation that occurs in a young adult in upper extremities, that is upper limb. A history of trauma is present in approximately 25% of the cases, and tumors grow rapidly over a period of several weeks or months, typically no larger than 5 centimeter. That means tumor is less than 5 centimeter, and there is history of trauma is present in approximately 25% of the cases. Whereas nodular fasciitis was historically considered a reactive inflammatory lesion. Identification of T1722, the translocation that produces a MIH9 USP6 fusion gene, indicates that it is a clonal but self-limited proliferation. It appears that the proliferating cell lacks some key hallmark of cancer, perhaps the ability to avoid senescence. That means, so what we have understood, that it is clonal proliferation like cancer, but it is self-limited, unlike proliferation. Why is this so? Because it doesn't have ability to avoid senescence. So it will die after certain division. Interestingly, aneurysmal bone cyst discussed earlier. We'll discuss in later video. Uh, Another tumor that sits in a gray zone between reactive and neoplastic proliferation also contains USP6 fusion gene. That means ABC and nodular fasciitis both sit in the gray zone between reactive and neoplastic proliferation, and they both contain USP6 fusion gene. But yeah, and nodular fasciitis typically spontaneously regresses, and if exercised, it rarely recurs. Morphology: nodular fasciitis arise in deep dermis, subcutis, or muscle. Grossly, the lesion is less than 5 centimeter, circumscribed or slightly infiltrative. The lesion is richly cellular and contains plump, immature appearing fibroblasts and myofibroblasts, arranged randomly or in short fascicles reminiscent of tissue culture fibroblast. We will see in the figure. You can see here. We will see again later. The gradation of maturation zonation from cellular loose and myxoid to organized and fibrous is typical. The cell vary in size and shape, spindle to stellate, and have conspicuous nucleoli. Mitotic figure are abundant. Lymphocyte and extraparasitic red blood cell are common, but neutrophil are unusual. The extraparasitic red blood cell and lymphocyte are common, but neutrophil are unusual. And the cell vary in shape, spindle to stellate shape. Let's see in figure. You can see here. Mm, You can see here. It contains spindle-shaped. You can see here spindle-shaped cell surrounded by myxoid stroma. You can see in arrow mitotic figure. You can see in the cell in the arrow shown by arrow. You can see here mitotic figure are present, and extraparasitic red blood cells are also present in this tumor. That's all about nodular fasciitis. Now we will talk about fibromatosis in next video. Thank you.